Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Okay, this is a Euro CAD chart for 20 minutes. Oh, by the way, I just started the recording for my live trades. This is today is Wednesday, 4:39 a.m. in the morning. So I was getting the signal here, Euro CAD short, based on the chart I showed you earlier yesterday and the day before yesterday. This is a euro CAD chart, so it's all the way up here, so it has to come down. Similarly, pound CAD is going to drop, and it is. So I'm waiting for the entry. If I don't get the entry, I'm not gonna. So I have my alarm to beep and give me the entry, and then I will make the entry. So right here, see euro CAD is the one who gave me the beautiful entry here. My order is open here. My SL is right there, and this is it. So I'm gonna start watching, and London just opened a little while ago, so let's see what happened. Hopefully I'll get these euro CAD and pound CAD good trades today. I've been waiting since yesterday. Pound CAD gave me just a 60 pip trade yesterday, but this one is it hasn't given me anything yet, euro CAD. So let me see what happened to this one, right? Euro also supposed to drop. Let me see if I can show you the euro chart. Euro weekly chart is this. See, so it is a 61% off this drop all the way here, and then this is a number here, 2613, and I made this chart yesterday on the Saturday, this before the starting of this week, that we're gonna drop, and we are dropping slowly but surely. We are going down, right? And if that happened, what happened? Euro pairs will be going down once again. So Euro Aussie, Euro USD, Euro CAD. So Euro in this Euro CAD, it is helping right now, right? So Euro and CAD strength, obviously. So I'll show it later on. I don't want to make the video long. Okay. So this is it. I'm gonna pause the recording and then look for some more setups, and we'll take the entries, and I'll come back and then I'll show you that this is the entry I took. My SL is right there, 25 pip. Let's see what happened to this one. All right, so I'm gonna go down and look for some hunt for some more setups, right? Hello everyone, Sam is here again. Recording started again. Resume the recording. Just came to see what's happening because my beeper is very quiet. So and I saw just now that pound CAD went down without giving me a proper setup. Somehow it didn't beep. It should beep here, but maybe this indicator was not quite all the way to the upside. But anyway, if not today, maybe tomorrow, or maybe later today, it might go up here again and then make a short setup. But I'm not gonna break the rule and take the entry now. So all pound pair basically going down. Pound yen, see that big move, and it went up here, but not quite enough, and then dropping. So maybe we'll drop. Go up later on again and make the short setup. We'll see. And pound USD also, it dropped very nicely, but this is what it has been doing. This was my entry yesterday, and then again one more try, and both got knocked out at break even. So I said, what the hell with it? And now here, now it was yellow line was above the black, so I couldn't do anything. So I'm gonna wait until it goes up and give me a short setup. Pound Aussie also dropped big time, and it has to go to the upside and make a short setup. So I'll wait for those short setups, and then I'll get in. Before that, without the setup, I'm not gonna make any move. Euro CAD is just hanging in there. My entry was here, and then still it's above my entry. My SL is still there. I couldn't move it because the price is not moving at all. So this is it. Again, I'm gonna go pause the recording, and we'll come back after a couple of hours. Or if my alarm beeps for something, I'll resume the recording, show you what is beeping, and I'm gonna take the entry and then go back to sleep. All right. So this is how it is. Bye for now, and we'll come back and talk to you guys soon. Hello, everyone. Sam here again. My beeper is the alarm is beeping for pound CAD short. So I took that short here. Earlier, I took the Euro CAD short, but my SL got hit. And now I was waiting for this pound CAD. So this is from the last trade yesterday. So this is the sell order here, and this is the SL here. So let's see if this one will work out, right? Nothing is working, very slow. Last 2 days were very volatile, and then today is very slow now. So let's see what happens, right? Gotta catch something big, right? Okay. My auto refresher. I gotta stop this first before I do anything. I always forget. All right. So I just wanted to show that I took this pound CAD. It's still beeping right now. One more look into it, and then I'm gonna go and look for the EuroCAD and others. Not beeping right now. But EuroCAD on my other computer is beeping, so I'm gonna go check, and if an entry is a good entry there, I'm gonna take that as well. Right? These EuroCAD and Pound CAD short, I'm basing on these charts, the weekly charts. See, Pound CAD need to come down, and the EuroCAD also went up all the way there and need to come down. So let's see what happens, right? Right now it's 8:53 in the a.m. Wednesday morning. So this is it for. I'm gonna go and check EuroCAD and take the entry if I have to, and then later on I'll show how they are going. Okay. I'm gonna stop, not pause recording again. Hello again. Sam is here. I took this entry, pound CAD. It was beeping, so I took this one, and then on my other computer was giving me a signal for EuroCAD as well. So I went here, and then I saw that yes, it was an entry. So I took this one as well here, and went down a little bit, right? So it's probably going to drop. And I just realized at 9:30 there was a CAD news. So I don't know what news. I don't pay attention to what kind of news is that. I mean, what news came out, right? So I know, the news like GDP, CPI, rate decision, all of that news, and their importance. But I really don't look at the news. What kind of news come out? Is it positive or negative, whatever? I just watch the chart. Wherever the chart goes, I go. Okay, so I got this CAD, EuroCAD, and this pound CAD SL in places, and also right now you can see that it is beeping here. What? Pound USD. Right. So pound USD sell order just got open. Where the heck pound USD? Pound USD is right there. All right. So pound USD is there, and SL 25 pips. So let's see what happened on this one as well. Right. So these are the three trades right now. I caught the first one got SL hit. I think was like 20 pip, and now I have EuroCAD again, Pound CAD, and USD CAD. So it's not a bad, a very good day, because last 2 days the market was very volatile. So when that happened, then the next day is usually slow. So let's see what happens. Right. So I'm gonna watch these, and then try to get to the break even as fast as possible, and see where it takes me. All right. If anything else, I'll come back. But I just wanna show you. So this is also pound USD short, and I'm gonna stop it. Pause the recording, and then I'll come back. Hello everyone, Sam is here again. Yeah, all these three trades are going well. This is pound USD. Sell order here, entry was here, and so far it dropped here to how many pips? Let me see. I'm positive like 40 pip, but the idea is to hold on to up to the daily range, close to that, right? Or 100 pips, whichever comes first. So the daily range of this pair is almost like 190, 180, 190, something like that. I think let's say 180, 180, right? So this is the day open here. So the highest point is this, right? So 180 pip is going to be way down there, right? So I have a long way to go to the downside. So I'm not going to close it. I think I can easily get 100 plus out of this one. Okay. Another one is the pound CAD. also 190 pip daily range. And this one, the day started here, right? So the highest point is this. The 190 pip would be, I'll calculate, well, I know, but on the chart, I'll calculate and post what am I doing here? So how far we have gone, this is this is like 114, 120. We still have to go 60 pip more to the downside. The 60 plus what I have here. So that would be 60 plus right now here. So 50. So like 100, 110 pip trade. This would be, right? So I moved myself slowly here, and now is the time to move it to break even, because it has gone enough. Now if it comes back and hit me, oh, thank you very much. I don't want to take a risk anymore. This one I'm gonna hold on to it. My risk is right now 5 pip only. Now the third one, the Euro CAD, is also dropping slowly, right? And then okay, this is also like a 5 pip SL right now. This was the earlier entry. I lost almost like 20 pip here. 20 or maybe 25, I don't know. I'm gonna check, but something like that, right? And then this is the second entry. This is the idea that if you know what the heck is happening, like weekly chart of Euro CAD is telling me that we have gone way to the upside into the skies, right? And now need to come back a little bit. Right? So even a small move to the downside to this low here, 42.62, that means right now you are at 44. That's a couple of hundred pip, trade. So yeah, I'm gonna hold on to this. And CAD news now. 8:30 there was a CAD news, so I didn't see it, and I don't want to look at the news as usual. I look at the chart. I just pay attention to the time of the news. All right, 8:30 there's a news, so I'm watching the charts at 8:30. Wherever the price goes, I go. That's it. What do I care about what kind of news is that? I'm not gonna be the responsible for the economies. So just pay attention to the news at the time of the news, and that's where the news comes out, either better than expected or worse than expected, and it will move the market. Simple as that. So wherever the market is moving or going, you just have your strategy, whatever the system, and in case my system, looking at this, this thing, you can make an entry, right? So yeah, pound CAD is way to the upside here, nicely coming down. So even coming down to 63.88 right now, 64.80. So that's another 100 pip, right? Whatever I am positive right now, 60.70 plus 100. That's the trade. This is called trading, right? Not like small shots, 15, 20 pip, 30 pip. What the heck is that? That's gambling, right? So this is what I teach in my webinars, in my one-on-one course. So if you want to get trade something like this and learn how to do it, I'm doing it right in front of you. I'm taking the entries as my alarm beeps, but it's not just the alarm, it's a system. You see that it is all based on my weekly chart analysis. I am aware of where which pair is standing where in the market for last 10-20 years. This is my chart starts from here. That's 2015, by the way. So 7 years, not that that was too much. So yeah, this is a weekly chart. Yeah, monthly chart usually I have around like 15 years, 20 years old charts, right? So and then similarly, the pound USD supposed to drop, right? I made this chart over the weekend, gave it to my subscribers. They all know, they all have it, and they're all watching my Telegram. I'm also posting all these on the Telegram as well. All right, so that so this is how it is. All right, so I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna take a nap now because you know how I work. All night long, it's up, on and off, on and off, on and off. I have my bed here in one next to my computer in the computer room, and I just sleep here. Because that's how you have to do it. If not, then it's not that easy. All right. Anyway, so back to my this one here. So this is right here. This kind of like stopping it because why? Because 9:30 US session open, so it's 9:48. So US session just got open. People are thinking, what are we going to do? What we're not going to do? And 10 o'clock, that's where the big volume is going to come, right? And then they will decide which way to go. So let's see if I survive. If I don't, something is going to survive. It's like if this is EuroCAD. Okay, if this one not going to go in my way, then this will go. If not this one, then if both get hit in the break even, okay. But pound USD will probably give me something. If not, then what the hell with it? I'll see what happens next. So this is how I do it. So like yesterday I had 260. By the way, yesterday I had 260 pip on this video, right? I showed, but there is another one I had on the other computer, which now I'm not watching that pair on this one. And that was, let me just show it to you. That was Aussie, and I posted on the Telegram as well. Aussie making a short, and that's Aussie USD. So that was 260 plus this 60 Aussie USD, right? So that's 220 pip yesterday, right? So if I don't make anything today, no problem whatsoever. Then tomorrow's Thursday. Thursday is the biggest moving day. Thursday, first market moves the biggest, the fastest, the biggest. The big volume comes on Thursday, usually 90% of the time. So I'm going to be ready for that. And today is just slow because of, last 2 days we were moving. Yen pairs were moving like crazy. Pound yen dropped 800 pip in one day. I got 200 people saying, "Oh wow, what the heck?" I didn't do nothing. That was nothing. Out of 800 pip drop, I only got 200. That's shameful, right? Then everything else, I made mistakes. I told you guys in yesterday's video, CAD yen, Aussie yen, I just disregarded those pairs and they went 400 pip each. And then Euro yen and USD yen, I removed my alarm and I missed all those entries. That was like 150 pip each trade. So yeah, some there are days when you can make 300, 400 to 500 in one day. Just like that. Yesterday, that was the day in yen pairs. Anyway, so I'm gonna go back and see if I'm still surviving. If not, yeah, well, it's still there, right? And then when it comes 10 o'clock, if they drop again, then I'll get lucky, right? So let's see if this survive. This pair is not just, look at that, up down, up down, up down. So I wouldn't be surprised if my SL hit, right? Yesterday I had this one, not just yesterday I had this one. Look what happened. And then today this one gone bad and down this one. So let's see. All right, so bye for now, and I'm gonna stop the recording and then come back later on. Hello everyone. Again, just checking things, and right now everything going fine. I just forgot to mention one thing, which is on the other account where I have oil and gold. I just closed the oil. Let me just show you what it is, and see, this is the one, the beautiful long entry here. And I posted this entry on the Telegram. I'll show you. I don't know if my Telegram is open here, but I'll show you later on. The Telegram entry, this entry that oil wants to go up, something like that. I posted, and it went up so far, and then it's fluctuating a lot. So just small shot, and then I close it. So 76.28 to 77.90. All right. So this is another one that already closed, and I have 3 running. They are nicely going in my way. Let's go take a look. This is pound USD. Yesterday it didn't give me nothing. This was gone at break even. Then again, this one gone break even. Now this one is going for now. For now, it's going down, but I don't know if it's gonna go back and then hit my SL again. I'm gonna move a little bit more here, maybe 2-3 pip risk now. Not much, right? Pound CAD is going nicely to the downside. I also have here like maybe I'm right now the break even plus 3 pip here. So I'm on the positive side here, and the Euro CAD is so far, Euro CAD has a daily range of 120 nowadays, so it's not moving much, right? So if this one doesn't give me anything, I wouldn't be surprised. But if those two pound pairs, if they go 100 each, that would be my day, and plus the oil trade. All right. So, all right. So let me go and take a nap. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again for resuming the recording. Let me see what happened here. Okay, all right. So let's go. I just woke up, so I'm not 100% up yet. But okay, this is Euro. Okay, now I'm back. EuroCAD 20 minute. This was the entry, remember earlier, and it's still going on right now. Okay, so it is up like what? How many pip here? 45 pip, not much, but this pair, has a daily range 120, and it's a very slow mover. See that? Right now, it's a big mover, but right now and nowadays actually it moves slow. The second entry I had is pound CAD. Remember, I earlier showed you. So this one is powerfully going to the downside, and so far, let me see how much is this one from here. This is 100 pip right now, right? I keep going. So I'm gonna close this one now. I'm tired and I'm gonna go to sleep, so I'm just gonna close this. In the pound USD, and this is the today's entry I earlier showed you, right? So, and this one is how much positive? So let's see, 81, right? So this 180 and what was that? 40, 45 pip, right? So that's 220 pip here, and plus I have a oil trade today, right? So I think that's I'll just stick to these, and I'm gonna close it. In a little while, I'm gonna close it. I like to see this one coming down here to S2, all right, and then I'll close all of these. So maybe more than 200 pip a day. That should be more than enough, right? So let me just prepare for closing. I gotta record the chart because yesterday I made a mistake and I could not. I just closed the trade without recording the chart of pound CAD. So I'm gonna fix the charts, record them, and then I'll close and I'll update one more time. Okay. So bye for now, and I'll be back in maybe 10-15 minutes. Hello everyone, Sam is here again. I'm about to close all the trades. It's 12:31 p.m., 11 o'clock London close. Volume is gone. These trades may drop more, but like I said, that sometimes enough is enough, and you don't want to be greedy because for any reason they can turn around and take all your profits. So while they're there, I'm gonna just show here these entries, three entries today I showed in this video from start to finish now. So this pound USD, it is right there is the entry here, right? Sell entry, and so far 80 plus pip, right? And then this pound CAD, you can see here, it is 105 pip. So there's 185, and this is the entry, right? 185 pip, and the Euro CAD is so far 35 pip. So 185 and 35, that's when it 90 220, right? 185, yeah, 220 pip. Now 220 pip minus the 20 pip I lost here, right? So 200 pip today. I'm going to close all the trades and I'm gonna shut down. I'm gonna stop the recording and then convert the video and then send out to you guys. Okay. So these are three trades I took. Even though it's a slow day, basically, but still, thank God for 200 people. I told you yesterday that I'm gonna take my 200, right? You can watch my yesterday's video. So this is it. The game is over for today, and wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a big day, and I'm going to go to sleep again because I have not slept good, and because I have to do a webinar at 4 p.m. That's from my regular webinar where I teach all of this stuff, right? Not only the strategy, but the Elliott way of harmonic patterns, and I go over with all these weekly charts. What's happening? You see that I made this chart on the 17th, and the price was here. That's gonna drop, and it's dropping. More to come. But like I said, today 200 pip close and go home, and then, go to sleep. Actually, I'm home, right? So that's how it is. All right. So bye for now, and hopefully see you guys again tomorrow with the new video for tomorrow. Okay, so I'm gonna close these trades. I'm gonna show these trades one more time. take a look at it, and this is what you're supposed to be doing. If you're not doing, if you're doing good, yeah, that's fine. But if not, then come on my website, creativetrading.com, join. By the way, I mean, this is my Telegram, and I'm posting all these things on the Telegram as well. You can see here the oil want to go up, and here's the oil trade I showed you earlier. Where the heck it go? Man, um, let me see if I can get you that thing. Okay, this is the oil trade from the other computer. You can see the screen, smallest screen is from the laptop. I have gold, oil, and some other things there, commodities there on that, right? So this is also this 200 pip plus this today, okay? So the gold, I posted on the first thing that, oil want to go up. This is December 21, right? Now on 20-minute chart, so that's actually 40-minute chart, but okay, EC making a short Euro CAD. So you know the trade is there. This is from yesterday. And GU short, right? And EC and GC. I forgot to post here GC. Yep. But my clients know already that that's it. See, this is yesterday GC making a short. So I post all of these trades, most of them, here in my Telegram. All right. So again, like I said, that let's see the pound USD here, and pound CAD this, and Euro CAD this. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys tomorrow with the new video.